Hello, my name is Flora. This is Math 1460 practice test number 2. I am going to solve problem number 8, which is sketch the graph of g of x equals parentheses x minus 1 parentheses to the fifth minus 1 by identifying all transformations and finding intercepts algebraically. I am going to take the function parentheses x minus 1 parentheses to the fifth minus 1. To start, we have to find the parent function. We look at the fifth, which is an odd number, and so we use the parent function, which is also an odd number, which will be function equals x to the third. To graph this, we start at the origin, which is 0, 0. And I will sketch this. And label it f of x equals x to the third, which looks like this. After that, we look at what's inside the parentheses, which is x minus 1. Whatever is inside the parentheses, we move either left or right. So since 1 is negative, we move the graph to the right one, which I will use a different color. I start at the origin, then I will move to the right one, which is 1, 0. And I will sketch the graph. And label it g of x equals x minus 1, which looks like this. After this, we do what's outside of the parentheses, which is negative 1. And if it's outside the parentheses, we move either up 1 or down 1. So since 1 is negative, we will move down 1, which I will use a different marker for that. 1, we're at 1, 0. We're going to move down to 1, negative 1, and sketch this. And label it g of x equals x minus 1 parentheses minus 1. Now, since we have used the parent function x to the third, we are going to use a different color to sketch it so we can have it condensed to x to the fifth, which I will draw right now. So I will condense it in to the x closer to the y-axis. And label this graph g of x equals x minus 1 to the fifth minus 1. And that condenses our graph so it goes in closer to the y-axis. And this is how we solve problem 8. Thank you.